What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best short throw projectors. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Optoma. The Optoma GT1080 short throw projector has multiple connectivity options. With the incredible sound and high-quality images produced by this projector, you get a feel of a home theater right in your living room. You don't need to create a separate room with the Optoma GT1080 since it can project a 100-inch image with just about 5 feet away or even 166 inches at 6 feet away. What's more, this projector has a 1080p high resolution and features 2800 lumens, thereby delivering stunning images at 100 inches. The resolution is suited perfectly for watching sporting events and playing games. Also, the fact that the Optoma GT1080 has multiple connectivity options makes it very versatile and the ideal option for your home entertainment system. The projector comes with DLP imaging technology, which explains why it delivers lifelike color performance. In addition to that, the DLP processor chip has support for 144 MHz refresh rates and high-speed 12 milliseconds response time, which both combine to produce on-screen action without any flicker. Also, the DLP technology features a very high contrast ratio, crisper whites and deeper blacks that truly brings out the best color reproduction. If you are an avid gamer that is looking for a perfect gaming projector to give you a truly immersive gaming experience, then you can't ignore the Optoma GT1080. Its multiple connectivity options make it compatible with Android, iOS, and game consoles. This would be an excellent addition for avid gamers and non-gamers alike for their entertainment system. Number 4. Bank HT. Manufactured by a familiar brand, the HT2150 ST short throw projector is one of the best projectors we have come across, and it's a particularly great gaming projector. It is simple to set up and it has a user-friendly remote. This projector comes ready out of the box and you can start enjoying your favorite movies in no time. The Bank HT2150 ST also has an impressive native resolution and the projector provides you with full 1080p HD quality image. It produces bright images, owing to its 2200 ANSI lumens. The projector also offers an impressive contrast ratio of 15:000 to 1, and its bulb life expectancy is around 3,500 to 7,000 hours, depending on the usage. With DLP technology, you can be guaranteed that this unit doesn't come with any deterioration issues. This is due to the fact that it has been made to resist decline in quality. Thus, you can depend on it to deliver high-quality pictures each time you use it. The built-in cinematic color tech improves the color resolution to make sure you see the most realistic visuals possible. This feature enhances the intense sharpness of pictures displayed to you. The projector has an impressive resolution of 1920 by 1080. This unit comes with a total of 2 inbuilt speakers that include Bank Cinema Master audio technology, making it perfect for watching movies and playing games. Each of the built-in speakers is 10 watts, which produces a lot of sound power. Hollywood-like technology has been integrated into the sound system of this projector to produce bass-booming sounds. Overall, this is a great projector that performs impressively. Number 3. ViewSonic. Don't allow this projector's low price to deceive you because this model actually packs the capabilities of high-end models. It comes with 3D support, incredibly comprehensive visuals, and a very smart design to improve your movie's experience. This short throw projector can be effortlessly linked to 3D Blu-ray devices via its HDMI ports, thereby allowing you to watch movies with much more details by wearing 3D glasses. The manufacturer has also included Super Color Tech, which provides 3-color segmentation. As a result of that, you get to see true, sharp colors in rich details. Besides, You will be able to see all the specifics in brighter and darker settings, without any decline in the quality of the image. It's also worth mentioning that this projector comes with 5 view modes. These allow you to tailor your viewing according to the darkness and brightness of your environment. The smart design allows you to handle any wires easily. The projector has a section at the back where those annoying cables can be stored away. There is also a lamp door at the projector's top to access the lamps easily if required. The Sonic Expert technology utilizes a large speaker. It works to produce very loud sounds, so as to match the large size of the projection screen. It is capable of providing a remarkable sound range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Consequently, the projector produces sounds which make your games and movies more immersive. Number 2. Optoma Darby. In all honesty, the Optoma GT1080 Darby short throw projector has an impressive list of features that would make anyone yearn for them. The DLP-backed short throw projector comes packed with 28:0:0:1 contrast ratio, real 3D display feature, and full HD native resolution. The projector has a lifelike image output, and it is primarily because of sRGB display alongside Rec. 709B color accuracy. There is no dull visual on this projector. You will be wowed by the bright images it produces, thanks to its 3000 lumens. Another impressive thing about this short throw projector is its unique Darby Vision image enhancement process, which bumps the quality up to an entirely new level with no oversaturation. What's more, this projector offers an incredible throw ratio of 0.49:1, which allows it to project a 100-inch image from only 3.5 feet away. The unit also comes with a decent lamp life of 8,000 hours with light usage. Furthermore, this short throw projector is great for gamers with 16 milliseconds response time. Such response time will make you look forward to gaming sessions. Finally, this unit comes with all the ports necessary to connect external devices for projection. Apart from being a perfect projector for gaming, the GT1080 Darby short throw projector is equally suitable for home entertainment as well. Number 1. Optoma EH. Another decent projector on our list is the Optoma EH200ST projector. Like the model we just reviewed above, this projector is also capable of projecting images from 40 inches to 300 inches in size. Since it's a short throw projector, only 3.5 feet of space is required between the screen and the projector. For extra convenience, it has a low latency which aids quicker projection of media to your projector. In addition, the short throw projector uses DLP technology and comes with full HD images in 1080p resolution. The DLP technology produces sharp images and enables you to see pictures, videos, and other media graphics with high brightness and color contrast. What's more, the projector comes with 3000 lumens, which allows you to use it in high to medium lit conditions. Also, it has 20:0:0:1 in contrast ration, which enables you to see lively and true colors, similar to the colors you see in real life. This projector allows you to stream from your computer, tablet, mobile device, or the 2 built-in HDMI ports. The projector also comes with a VISA 3D Sync port, which enables you to use PC compatibility with SVGA, SXGA, HD, UXGA, and more. In the package of the unit, you will find a carrying case, a remote control, and a lens cap. Since the projector was made for commercial purposes, the unit offers a very quiet operation, which enables the fan to cool the projector without making any distracting or annoying noise. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.